Laki.
Ilang beses na kami nakapunta dito and I must say, isa to sa mga underrated na coffee shop here in Antipolo. Dito lang to sa tapat ng Antipolo Plaza sa may Antipolo Cathedral, ang The Weekend Coffee. Sa taas lang to ng isang ukay-ukay store malapit sa Pandayan Bookshop. Pagpasok mo, sakto lang yung laki ng place and okay siya for catch-ups, group tambayan, and quick coffee cravings. Masasabi kong underrated siya kasi friends, ang dami talaga nilang ino-offer dito. Here's their menu for prices and for your reference. For drinks, we order sea salt latte, ube matcha oat latte, raspberry, and passion fruit. For food naman, we order all-in supreme egg drop, 3 cheeseburger, garlic parmesan and buffalo chicken wings, Hungarian sausage, and nachos. For our drinks, we rated it both with a honest 7.8 out of 10. Tama lang ang taste for its price. For food naman, base nyo na lang sa itsura ng table namin after namin kumain. But I just want to highlight na masarap yung chicken wings nila here. Not the typical wings na frinay tapos nilagyan ng flavorings. Ito, maayos talaga yung pagkaluto.
Laki. At saka anong tawag dito? Yung humihiwalay yung buto. So, very, maayos yung pagkaluto. Hindi maalat.
All in all, para sa mga taga-Antipolo dyan at gustong mag-visit here, The Weekend Coffee is a must visit. Yun lang friends, until our next kape serye. O ano, aya na, tara kape tayo!